I have no shame in saying I want to look as good as I can for as long as I can. I don't want to be haggard, tired, and used up by life. Not only does accelerated aging make us look older than our years, but it also ages us inside too. There is such a thing as same age, but differential aging. Two 39-year-olds can be in very different positions on this scale. Obviously, there is a multitude of factors involved, like lifestyle, environment, and genetics, but the vast bulk of these things are within the sphere of our control, and the number one thing we have, within our power to stop aging, is our bodily reaction to stress. Stress ages, and stress sucks the marrow out of all the goodness life has to offer. The bad news is that our fast-paced, hectic, anxiety-ridden lifestyles are highly stressful. The good news is that stress, or more importantly how we handle stress, is largely within our control. Have you ever seen pictures, before and after, of ex-United States presidents? It looks like they aged double time in the big chair. You can imagine just how stressful this job can be. People exposed to chronic stress age rapidly. So, let's delve into the science on stress and how it impacts aging. Here is an excerpt from the National Library of Medicine, discussing the effects of aging within the cells on participants in their study. I quote, "The telomeres in their cells of all types shorten faster. Inflammation is another important feature of stress that, along with aging, accounts for the phenomenon of inflammaging. In addition to aging itself, inflammaging can contribute to the development of several pathologies, including atherosclerosis, diabetes, hypertension, and others. Oxidative stress is one of the main mechanisms related to stress. Oxidative stress is caused by the overproduction of reactive oxygen species that can damage various tissues. The main source of ROS is mitochondria. Being suppressed by mitochondrial mutations, mitophagy can aggravate the situation. In this case, the aging-specific pro-inflammatory changes are amplified. It happens because of the inability of cells to maintain the normal state of mitochondria. So, what can you do? You can do a whole bunch of things, but you can't do anything until you admit to yourself that your life is stressful, and you are not managing the stress well. Our problem lies in our ego. We tell each other we are fine when we are not, and we hate to make a fuss. "I'll be okay" are the last words of many a person. Sometimes we need to tell ourselves it's not all right. Only then can we get help, and it is often very difficult to fix stress alone. But if you can cross that bridge, then the best thing to do is talk to a therapist and learn stress reduction techniques. Mindfulness, Stoicism, and Buddhism are all powerful ways to reframe our lives and let go of things that upset and irritate us. There is a growing idea in some psychological circles that the very act of trying to fix yourself is an end in itself. It matters not which avenue you choose, as long as you choose. Pick something up, give it a real try, for at least 6 months, and see if the markers of stress diminish. If you sleep better, laugh more, and are less disturbed by things that once annoyed you, then you are probably on the right track. Look after yourself. There isn't another one of you, and there never will be again. Have an image of your 75-year-old self as an upright, vital, fit, healthy, and happy human, beaming from ear to ear, taking stairs 2 at a time. Think about them before you think about yourself, then thank yourself later. I hope this video helps you achieve your health goals. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing or leaving a like.